Pakistan Premier Electrical and Electronics Industry Exhibition, the IEEEP Fair, has created a phenomenal journey of success since its inception in 2010. The three-day exhibition ends up with a very high-level interactive conference benefiting both academia and corporate by presenting multiple researches, recent project experiences, and open forum for discussion over innovative ideas, engineering technologies. It was hard to make a successful journey where the fair started from only 2000 square meter in 2010 and has now achieved more than 11,000 square meters in terms of exhibiting space. In the year 2019, top-notch industries cradle tycoons with their presence give esteem to the event every year.
It's a proud privilege and honor for me to welcome you all on this 11th edition of IEEEP Fair. My very special thanks to all the exhibitors who came forward despite of very tough and uncertain economic conditions. All this reflects trust and the value of this affair.
I, on behalf of Organizing Committee of IEEEP Fair, extend a very hearty welcome to you all for your valuable contribution to the cause of developing. I wish the exhibitor and the visitor a very productive and fruitful interaction.
The role of IEEEP Fair and Exhibition is to disseminate knowledge and to promote energy solution.
Absolutely delighted to be here this morning to inaugurate this very significant exhibition of electrical and electronics products. I congratulate all of the exhibitors and the organizers and IEEEP Karachi chapter for organizing this very valuable exhibition.
This event is very lively, it's very active. We have had an opportunity to in detail give overview of all of our product. हमारी electrical community सारी एक जगह gathered है, and we are very happy and we are very pleased to be part of this event.
That was a great seminar which we attended with a vision that make in Pakistan. It has provided a vision to the industry that we need to now. This is a time where we need to go make in Pakistan, made in Pakistan, and made as Pakistan.
This event is a great event where I think everyone especially from the academia, they have to participate और आएं और ये चीज़ें देखें ताकि अपने जहाँ पर फ्यूचर के अंदर उनको जाना है इंडस्ट्री के अंदर उनको नो-हाउ हो.
IEEEP फेयर का हमारा लास्ट एक्सपीरियंस भी बड़ा अच्छा रहा, लेकिन इस मरतबा इट वाज द नीड ऑफ द मोमेंट जिसके अंदर हम आए हैं. पब्लिक रिस्पांस अच्छा है, सो फॉर सो गुड. ना मैसिव रिस्पांस एक अनप्रेसिडेंटेड है.
This type of exhibitions are very useful and it gives opportunity to various industries and commercial guys to come here and see the products. I must congratulate the organizers and their workers. They have done a lot of efforts.